Hi students, third exercise before up to 14 problems completed. Now 15th question. In the figures given below, AB parallel to CD and EF is the transversal to intersecting AB and CD at G and H transversally, that G and H respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Given that, what they given? AB and CD are two parallel lines. Given that AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and EF is a transversal line. G and H are transversals, means intersects. G and H is intersects. Here observe, find X and Y. Here 2x plus y. This total linear pair. Linear pair means we know that linear pair sum equal to 180 degrees. Means 2x plus y equal to 180. 2x plus y equal to 180 degrees. This is equation number 1 take. Next again here y 3x, observe only this place. Y 3x. Two parallel lines. This is transversal. Here y 3x. We get alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. What is condition for alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles are equal. Means y degrees equal to 3x. This is equation number 2. How it is equal? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal. So y equal to 3x. From equation number 1, take from equation number 1 y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x means replacing y by 3x. 2x plus y means 3x equal to 180. 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to 180. It implies x equal to 180 by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 30. Here x equal to 36 degrees. Then y equal to, so here y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x. That implies y equal to 3 into x means we get here 36. X equal to 36. 36 3s. We get 108. So now we get both values, x equal to 36 degrees, y equal to 108. Second figure, they given AB, CD two parallel lines. AB and CD are two parallel lines. EF is transversal. EF is transversal. For that this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H is intersects. G, H. For that they given here 3x minus 20 and here outside they given angle 2x plus 15. Find x value. From the figure, we have these two places are corresponding angles. One exterior angle, one interior angle. One exterior angle, one interior angle. And same side of the transversal. About these conditions, which type of angles? Corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Means 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 20. Why? Because these are all corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Now here 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 20. 2x. Here plus 3x send this side, minus 3x equal to minus 20. Here plus 15 send that side, minus 15. 2x minus 3x will get minus x equal to minus 20 minus 15 minus 35. Both sides negative get cancelled. X equal to 35 degrees. So therefore x equal to 35 degrees. Got it? Third figure, they given A, B, C, D two parallel lines, A, B, C, D parallel lines, and EF is a transversal line, EF transversal line, and GH transverse. Here 4x minus 23 degrees, 3x. Find x. Here observe which type of angles. Students, before going to class, once recall that lines and angles part 1. So then only concept after understand these problems. These two angles, which type of angles? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. We know that co-interior angles condition. What is that? Sum equal to 180 degrees. Sum of co-interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Like here, 4x minus 23 plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because this co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. 4x, 3x. 4 plus 3, 7. 7x minus 23 equal to 180. 7x equal to minus 23, send that side, plus 23. 7x equal to 203. X equal to 203 by 7. 2 cancellation. 7 2s 14. 7 9s 63. Means 29 degrees. X equal to 29. Therefore, x equal to 29 degrees. 16th question. In the adjacent figure, AB parallel to CD, T is transversal and intersecting EF respectively. If angle 2 is to angle 1 equal to 5 is to 4. Find the measure of each marked angles. Here A, B, C, D two parallel lines, A, B, C, D, and T is a transversal. Here form totally 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and E angle they given here, E, F intersects points. Here also form totally 4 angles, total 8 angles, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that two parallel lines, T is a transversal. Here totally form 8 angles. Suppose what they given? Angle 2 is to angle 1 equal to 5 is to 4. Here let angle 2 equal to, here 5 is to 4 means angle 2 equal to 5, angle 1 equal to 4. Like take x, angle 2 equal to 5x and angle 1 equal to 4x. So but here angle 1, angle 5. Observe here angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. So angle 1, angle 2. Here 2, 1 means angle 1, angle 2. Observe which type of angles. This is linear pair or adjacent angles. We know that linear pair means sum equal to 180. Means angle 2 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degrees. Like angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. What is this? Linear pair. Linear pair or adjacent angles. So angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 means 4x. Angle 2 means 5x. 4x plus 5x equal to 180 degrees. 4, 5, 9. 9x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 9. So 9 2s means x equal to 20 degrees. And they asking find all angles. Now find here angle 1. Angle 1 means 4x. We know that x value. Angle 1 equal to 4x equal to 4 into 20. 4 into 20. We get 80 degrees. Like angle 2 equal to, angle 2 means 5x. 5 into x. X means 20. 5 20s. 100 degrees. Angle 1 equal to 80 degrees. Angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. So we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. So about that, what are angles? Angle 3 equal to angle 1 equal to 80 degrees. Why? Because this vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. So angle 1 opposite angle 3. Like angle 3 equal to angle 1 equal to 80 degrees. Next. Angle 4 equal to angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Why? Because this also opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles. So angle 4 equal to angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Next, angle 5 equal to angle 1. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Which type of angles? Corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Means angle 1 80 degrees, angle 5 also 80 degrees. Why? Because corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Next, corresponding angles, another pair, angle 2 corresponding angle 6. Means angle 6 equal to angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Same, corresponding angles. Next, alternate angles. Angle 1 alternate angle 7. Means angle 7 equal to angle 1 equal to 80 degrees. We know that alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal. Now these two alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Next, alternate another pair exterior angle, angle 2, angle 8. Means angle 8 equal to angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Therefore, now angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 5 equal to angle 7. These angles are equal. Means 80 degrees. Angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 6 equal to angle 8 equal to 100 degrees.